Hello lovelies, welcome back to another video. So for today's video we are going to be, my beautiful client here is going to be featuring the Love Me here, as you could see, and she's just going to show you the contents that came in the packaging. Okay, and as you could see, she is extremely excited. This is her first time trying out this beautiful wig. So yes, she cannot wait for Miss Kimmy K to slay. And so I'm just putting the wig on to see how it fits on her head, to see if I should use the adjustable straps to make sure that everything is secure, the whole wig is secured on her head comfortably. And I'm just going to go in with my scissors and cut off those ear tabs right there. And as you can see, if you go in a little closer, they have the marking on the ear tabs where you should cut. So I'm just carefully cutting those ear tabs away. And yes, I did cut the lace in sections of 3 because it is, of course, more manageable for me when I'm doing the gluing process. Okay guys, so the next step is going in with your brow razor and just cutting away that extra lace after you apply your freeze spray. So why you use a brow razor is because you get a more jagged cut as per a scissors when you're using a scissors, when you get a little straight cut. Okay, so use a brow razor, but please, when you're using these razors, please be careful, okay, because it's right on your skin and you do not want to cut yourself. Okay, we don't want to see any blood. All right, you. So after cutting away that lace, I'm going to apply that freeze spray just to make sure that lace is melted completely in the skin perfectly. Okay. And then she reminded me, she said, Miss Kimmy K, please do not give me a lot of baby hairs, okay? I just want just some natural baby hairs at the front. So I'm like, okay, girl, that's what you want, that's what you're gonna get. So I'm just taking out just a few baby hairs just to line the front. And you know what we really do baby hairs for, right? We actually do that just to hide any lace that's peeking through, so the baby hair is there just to cover that lace, whatever lace that's showing. Okay. Okay, lovelies, this is a friendly reminder. If you have reached this far in this video, that means you're liking it, right? Okay then. So hit that subscribe button down below and join the Miss Kimmy K family. Yes, guys, we welcome you with open arms. All right? Hit that subscribe button, like this video, Give this video a thumbs up, share this channel with your friends and family, and also guys, feel free to drop a comment down below. Okay, lovely. So yes guys, this is a different day, the next day, and different setting, okay, because it was getting late, so your girl had to just continue with the next day. All right, so what I'm using is my Shea Moisture Mousse Whip. Ooh, I love that product. Yes, it is so great for curly hair, but also it is great to laying down those baby hairs. It give it a more natural look more than you using the Got to Be gel. So yes, it give it a more natural baby hair feel. So I just love using that mousse for my baby hairs. Okay. Okay, lovelies, I had to go in just a little bit though with the Got to Be gel. Okay, because those sideburns, it wasn't staying, all right? It wasn't lying down like I wanted it to. So I'm like, okay, let me use the gel to lay this down, okay? Lay this baby hair down because, yeah, y'all not working with me. So let me take the gel. So now what I'm doing is just using my spray bottle, and what's in the spray bottle, as we know, is water and conditioner. Okay, and I use the deep conditioner, the Shea Moisture again, okay, mixed with a little water just to make that hair soft and everything, so we just can tame those frizz. So I usually damp it with the water and the conditioner and then go in with my mousse, okay, just to set those curls. Okay, lovelies, we are slowly wrapping this video up now. So guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And also, we are on a mission to get Miss Kimmy K to 50K. Okay, so please, yes, get your girl to 50K by sharing this channel, liking this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.